Hey guys, this is Asiatic Insulation, Gulf Coast #1 insulation company. We're leading the way in energy efficiency. We had a little bit over 15 years under our belt. We know quality is expected from us, so we always deliver peace of mind and results. So if you're in the need of any attic insulation removal due to high electric bills, poor indoor air quality, uneven temperatures in the house, or if you have any type of roof damage by the storms, any rodent issues, mice, raccoons, rats, anything like that, give us a call, contact us. We're here to help. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we'll make sure that we leave your attic as close to new as we can. We have the experience, the personnel, the training, and all the tools to get everything top quality, top notch. For example, we use laser measurements to make sure that we are getting every single square footage from the house. We also use tools like, humidity levels, temperature levels, so we can gauge what room we need to attack to better please our clients. Okay, so check us out on social media, Asiatic Insulation. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we're here for you. Thank you guys.